Today it's a pleasure to be here with you in New York to launch Culture Ireland's excellent US programme for the year ahead and to showcase Creative Ireland, the Irish government's ambitious 5-year arts and culture initiative.
Creative Ireland as Irish Consul General in New York, I can tell you, is the best news we've had for a very, very long time. Creative Ireland coming now gives us a framework into which we can pour all the enthusiasm and all the creative energy that people want now to bring to further expression of Irishness and Irish Americanness.
It's a recognition, I think, by the government that culture is nothing less and nothing more than the weather of our souls. It's around us, is what we are and who we are. And by recognising that in this programme, I think that's a major step forward for Ireland as a country.
Arts and culture, and Irish arts and culture, is certainly alive in New York, and what we are doing in New York is what we want to do in Ireland. We just want to put arts and culture at the centre of Irish life, and that's what we found in the 2016 commemorations. There was a huge hunger out there. People really embraced their culture and their heritage, and we want to build on that legacy, that real interest, that sense of belonging, that sense of identity that's so important to all of us.
It shows that Ireland is leading the way, putting the artist in their position as Shelley might say, the unacknowledged legislator of the world.
I find it fantastic that Ireland is asking us to think about creativity and imagination. I feel thrilled that I can be part of that world and be able to bring parts of that back to New York and to America.
I think Ireland has great cultural references to US politics recently. I think that it's there to be seen that it's quite an important part of American culture. Marrying the two here in New York is a great initiative. I think it's a positive future ahead, and government initiatives to drive it forward are very important.
To understand Ireland, as with any other country, is to learn from its poets, its novelists, its visual artists, its dramatists, all of the great network of artists who make up a country. And what the government of Ireland has really actually very cleverly done is to accept that idea and to run with it. It's brilliant news.